Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about a practical and important word, battery. A battery is a noun, and it refers to a device for storing energy. You've probably encountered this word in many contexts, and we'll explore how it's used in everyday life. Let's start with the basics. A battery is something you'll find in devices like phones, remote controls, cars, and even toys. It stores energy so that these devices can work without being plugged into a power source all the time. For example, "I need to charge my phone because the battery is almost empty" is a very common sentence. Now, let's explore some synonyms for battery. One synonym is cell, as in this flashlight needs a new cell to work. Another synonym could be power pack, which is used more informally. For example, "I brought a portable power pack for my camping trip." These words can be interchangeable depending on the context. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. The opposite of a battery could be something like a power outlet, since that provides direct energy rather than storing it. For instance, "I can't use this lamp without plugging it into a power outlet." Another antonym might be generator, which produces energy instead of storing it. An example here would be, "We used a generator when the power went out." Now, let's get into some everyday situations where you might use the word battery. Imagine you're traveling and your phone dies. You might say, "Do you have a charger? My battery is dead." Or picture yourself at home trying to use a TV remote and it's not working. You could say, "The remote needs new batteries." These are situations most of us encounter regularly. Here are a few more examples of how you can use battery in sentences. "The car wouldn't start because the battery was drained." "I always carry a spare battery for my camera when I travel." Rechargeable batteries are better for the environment. To wrap up, today we learned that a battery is a device for storing energy, and it's something we use daily. We talked about synonyms like cell and power pack, and antonyms like power outlet and generator. I hope this discussion helps you understand and use the word battery confidently. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using battery and share it as a comment. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring words and their wonders.